afternoon, everyone. My name is Jessica, and I am from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So today's topic, the capstone project's topic is AI-powered forest fire detection system and emergency response system. So for this deep learning model, I've used different CNN models and then transfer learning models, and then how this model takes in image and real-time camera pictures as input, and then how Gemini analyzes whatever input I'm giving in and gives various other emergency guidelines. And then it also has this confidence score that will predict how confident it is whether the image is a fire image or not fire, or if it's uncertain whether the image is a fire or not fire image. So basically, two major problems in this, in like normal general scenario where there's no AI-powered detection system, is rapid speed. The first one is rapid speed. So when any fire starts in any small place on the fire due to dryness or due to wind and all that, it will just spread throughout in seconds. Like there's no time to wait for the officials to come and like clear this fire. And then the second thing is a slow manual detection, as humans are not always on time and quick enough to know where the fire is coming from and to extinguish the fire. This is the major problem in like manual human setups. So if you use this AI model integrated to various other things in the forest, you will prevent a lot of loss from happening. Like when this AI detects something, fire generating from a certain region, it will immediately give emergency alerts, and then the people can respond fast to the scene and extinguish the fire. So in most of these detection systems, it's just how they detect the fire and come and cure it. But then many of the systems do not have the guidelines or emergency advices it can give to various other people, and to let people take their future precautions. So this model also helps giving the generative AI guidelines and emergency guidelines so people know what to do. So the first thing is the camera or a picture in my model will upload the image or take the image that you feel that the fire is going to start, and then pre-processing takes place. Before the image actually goes to the model, and pre-processing takes place. So pre-processing is basically how it eliminates all the unwanted or unnecessary data, and then also it reduces the pixel size of images to normalize the image size, so it has more precision over detecting whether the fire is actually taking place or not. And then it predicts with the model, CNN models and all that, it predicts whether it's actually fire taking place or if there's nothing. And then confidence also is detected. So if the model detects that there's fire, then it will show this confidence percentage saying it's this person's confident that there's fire, and this much person confident that it's not, there's no fire. And so then using generative AI also, you get emergency response guidelines. Yeah, so that's what we've used three. I've used three transfer learning models: Mobile Net V2, ResNet 50, and Efficient V0. And the best model was Efficient Net V0, since this had good levels of accuracy, precision, and recall, sequel, confusion matrix. It had comparatively better results than the other two models. So that's why we're proceeding with this model. Yeah, that's what, as I mentioned, all these six matrices are really important to train an AI model. So the current efficient net B0 was better in all of these. And this GradCam visualization basically highlights the part of the image where it feels that the fire is going to start. And so that my streamlit dashboard basically has upload image option first, and then it also has the option of real-time camera capture of the image, and then it will, after analyzing the image, it will predict if it's a fire image, not fire image, or if it's uncertain whether it's fire or non-fire. And then it will give you a confidence score saying it's this confident that this is a fire image, or if it's uncertain with a confidence percentage. And then when I input my Gemini key, it will give you all the emergency responses based on how it's understood whether there's a fire or not. And this SGIK is basically this link that's available publicly and not just locally. So this system can be integrated with CCTVs and drone monitoring, since it can also get integrated to different sensors where it's more real-time and interactive. And then after detecting if there's a fire, it can send an SMS also. And then it can also be integrated to GPS-based location tracking. So this model is very efficient model. I'll show you the demonstration. So this is the dashboard, and as you can see, it has two options: upload image or use camera. I first upload image. So you can see this is the uploaded image, and then the prediction result is fire detected, and the class is fire, and it's 91% confident that this is fire. The risk level is also high risk. And so once I input my Gemini API keywords, I can use guidelines that will generate. And now I can also use camera as input. I'll try uploading a video. Yeah, since there's a video is also predicted as fire and it's 98% confidence, so it will work in more real-time scenarios since the confidence percent is not 98, so you can integrate it with no CCTVs and then drone systems and all that. So it will send an alert to all these officials who can come and mediate it as soon as possible. So this is about my project. Thank you.